Okay guys, so what I'm doing right now on the UltraStick is I got most of the covering all removed off the aircraft, and now I'm installing the LED lights here. So on one side it's going to be all red, and then it's going to have red covering on it, and I'm going to use some hot glue also to insulate these on both corners here. And the wires are just going to go through. That's the servo box for the flap. It's going to go on this side, and these are going to shine back into the wing here. It's going to go through this hole and into this LED, and through those holes, through this LED, through a hole, and then I'm going to have an LED here along the corner of the wingtip here, and then go down here, and then these LEDs facing back towards the spar as well, so they're not shining in anybody's eyes when they're flying. And that's along that whole area. So you can see that the red has discolored the wood here. This area here in the center section of the wing here is all going to be white, so I'm not too concerned about that. And then the hole in there, and then it comes out the center of the wing. I'll show you also what else I've completed on the airframe so far. So I've gotten the coloration completed on the tail surfaces here, including the rudder. So it's going to be transparent blue, and then the tail, or rudder, is going to be transparent red. The horizontal stab here, which is just bolts on, it's going to be red, transparent red on the bottom, transparent blue on top. And the elevator is just going to be transparent red. It's going to just go on top of there, so on the bottom it'll be all red, top will be red-blue. All of the wing control surfaces are also completed. You saw in the last video that I completed those, and it was going to be blue on top and red on the bottom. But what I'm thinking I might end up doing, because I have red and blue LEDs, I'm going to do the one wing is going to be the blue top and bottom, and the other wing is going to be red top and bottom. And then I'll use the red LEDs on one side, blue LEDs on the other. This is the red wing right here. This is the red wing with the, it's going to be a red wingtip. And this wingtip will be green with a blue LED inside the wing. So I'm going to go ahead and continue working on that, and we'll see how it goes. I'm going to go ahead and set up my time lapse while I finish doing the LEDs here, and so you guys will see what we're doing. All right, so I'm going to continue working on that, guys. Okay, so I finished the putting in the lights into the wing, and I'll go ahead and turn the camera around and let you take a look at it. Basically what we did is I did blue on one side, red on the other, and what we're going to do is cover the wing with the corresponding transparent covering. So I have blue here, transparent, and the transparent red here. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and cover the wing with that correct corresponding color. So here it is. Take a quick look at it. Okay, so as you can see, we went ahead and installed the LED lights. I have the wired all together, and see over here, so all the way across. I have them on the leading edge on the inside, and also on the spar itself facing this way as well. And on the wingtips, I have the corresponding color as well on each wingtip. And I'm going to go ahead and turn those on. Let me get the centered here. There we go. And we're going to turn off the lights in the garage so you can get a good view of them, okay? Okay, so now you can see that the lights are off, dimmed, so you can be able to see these LED lights a little bit better. So we'll go ahead and wire these up here. And these are just temporary lights, battery setup here. I don't have any plugs on it yet, but there we go. Now I can get these in there. Okay, so now you can see here, we got the blue along the side and the red on that side. And once I put the covering on there, you'll be able to see that really well. And then throughout the fuselage here, what I'm going to do inside this area here is the fuselage is going to be covered in white, but I'm going to have some white LEDs inside there. So inside this area here is going to be all white LED, so that'll glow right through this area as well and out through the bottom. So you'll be able to see the fuselage and get some good, decent orientation. So again, thank you for subscribing, guys, anyone new, and I appreciate all the support that you guys provided me. I'm over 200 subscribers now, which is unbelievable. I'm looking really, I'm really shocked, but I'm glad. I thank you. And what we'll do next is we'll start finishing up some of the covering on this ugly stick or ultra stick, and we'll do some flights at night, let you guys see how it looks in the evening, and go from there. Okay, guys, so that's all I have for today. Make sure you take a look at RC Tail Dragon's YouTube channel. I will put the link in the description. Go ahead and take a look at it and let me know what you think about his channel. So far, I've been really happy watching his channel. I believe he's building a Piper Cub Great Plains kit, and it's looking really good. So take a look at his channel. Like I said, link in the description. And that's all I have for today. I'm signing off, so have fun and keep building and keep flying, guys.